Good day, Sir Jobert. I'm Edmar Ace Bartolo.
I'm John Rafael Tiangco.
I am Beyonce Alexia Artajo.
And I am Nicole Aina Palomar. And today, we will demonstrate the different use of arnis, which are
Single Sinawali.
Double Siniwali.
And Retonda.
Single Sinawali. Double Sinawali step by step.
Begin with the right hand at the right side of the head and left hand tuck under the right shoulder. First strike, the right hand perform a forehand strike while the left hand will stay at it is. Second strike, the right hand draw back in the left side of the head while the left hand will perform a backhand downward strike. Third strike, the right hand execute backhand strike while the left hand draw back at the left side of the head. Fourth strike, the right hand draw back below the armpit while the left hand execute a forehand strike. Fifth strike, the right hand execute a backhand downward strike while the left hand draw back and place at the right side of the head. Sixth strike, the right arm draw back and place at the right side of the head while the left hand perform a backhand strike, and the process will repeat.
Redonda step by step.
Perform open leg stance. First strike, right hand swing forward diagonally and place it above the left shoulder. Second strike, left hand swing forward diagonally, placing it above the left shoulder. Third strike, right hand swing forward, place it to the left armpit. Fourth strike, left hand swing forward diagonally and place it above the right shoulder. Fifth strike, right hand swing forward diagonally, placing it above the right shoulder. And left hand swing forward, placing it to the right armpit.
Abisala Esma Tinoon Jobert.